السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My dear students, how are you? كل سنة وانتم طيبين. النهاردة إن شاء الله we are going to talk about circulatory system. Circulatory system, it is a system that transfer digested food and oxygen to all body cells and carries excretory materials to excretory organs to get rid of them. It consists of heart, blood, and blood vessels. The function of circulatory system, it transports digested food and oxygen and water to all body cells. Also, it transports waste products from inside your cells to special organs to get rid of them. Number 3, it helps to keep your body healthy. Structure of circulatory system. Heart, blood vessels, blood. The heart, hollow muscular organ, equal about the size of your fist, found in chest cavity in the left side. It pumps blood to all body organs through blood vessels. Structure of heart. It consists of 4 chambers, room characterized by the upper chambers in each side is called atrium and the lower chambers is called ventricle. They are always full of blood. They are connected to blood vessels. The heart has 2 sides, right side and left side. There is a wall between the right side and left side of the heart to prevent mixing blood between 2 sides. There is a valve opening between atrium and ventricle which permits the passing blood in one direction and prevent it from returning back. The atrium, one of the upper chambers of the heart that receive blood from veins. The ventricle, one of the lower chambers of the heart that receive blood from atrium and pumps it outside the heart through arteries. Number 2, blood vessels. There are path network of pipelines through which blood flow. There are 3 types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and blood capillaries. Arteries, they are thick blood vessels, emerge or come out from the heart from 2 ventricles. They carry blood from the heart to all body cells. All arteries carry blood rich in oxygen. We call oxygenated blood, except pulmonary artery, which carries blood rich in carbon dioxide, deoxygenated blood. Examples: aorta and pulmonary artery. Vein, they are thin blood vessels, begin at the body cell and open in the 2 atria. They carry blood from all body cells to the heart. All veins carry blood rich in carbon dioxide, deoxygenated blood, except pulmonary vein, which carry blood rich in oxygen or oxygenated blood. Examples: superior and inferior vena cava and pulmonary vein. Blood capillaries, they are a network of tiny blood vessels with very thin wall. They are located with the tissue and around the cell. They have a thin wall to deliver food and oxygen to the cells and then carry carbon dioxide and wastes out the cell. Blood capillaries connected between arteries and veins. So, what's the meaning of artery? Artery, blood vessels, transfer blood from the heart to all body organs. Vein, blood vessels, transfer from all organs to the heart. Blood capillaries, they are tiny blood vessels with very thin wall. Aorta, it is the biggest artery that carries oxygenated blood from the heart to all body cells. Pulmonary artery, the only artery that carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. Pulmonary vein, the only vein that carries oxygenated blood from the lung to left atrium of the heart. Vena cava, they are two veins which collect deoxygenated blood from all body parts to the heart. Number 3, structure of circulatory system, blood. It is viscous red fluid that passes through blood vessels from the heart to body cells and vice versa. Blood consists of 4 parts. Plasma. It is yellow watery liquid that consists of water and digested food and excretory materials. Blood platelets. They are small fragments of cells, parts, which help in formation of blood clot to heal wounds and stop bleeding. C. Red blood cells. Red blood cells, red cells without nuclei that transfer oxygen from the lung to body cells and transfer carbon dioxide from the cells to the lungs to get rid of it. White blood cells. White blood cells, they are cells which contain different nuclei, protecting the body from microbes or attack microbes. Function of blood. Blood transfer materials to and from body cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen gas to the cells and carbon dioxide gas to the lung. Plasma carries nutrients to cells and waste products to kidney to get rid of them. Protecting the body. White blood cells attack microbes and germs that cause diseases. Blood platelet. Blood platelet from blood clot form blood clot to prevent bleeding infections. Number 3, blood keep the temperature of body constant at suitable temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Notes: blood is fluid due to the presence of plasma, which is watery fluid. After we know structure of circulatory system, which were the heart, blood, and the blood vessels, now we will know blood circulation. Blood circulation, it is the path of blood throughout the body. الدم يا ولاد بيمشي في البلاد فيزلز وبيكون ليه two blood circulation. Number one, minor blood circulation, pulmonary blood circulation that occur between the heart and the lungs. Number two, major blood circulation, systemic. The blood circulation occur between the heart and all body organs except the lung. Note: when the right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from vena cava, left atrium also receives oxygenated blood from pulmonary vein. When the right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to pulmonary artery, the left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the aorta. Then the two atria receive blood to the same time, while the two ventricles pump blood at the same time. الماينور blood circulation يا ولاد مفروض ان هي بتطلع من الرايت ventricle على البلمونري artery to lungs, return back when exchange of oxygen with carbon dioxide in the lung as pulmonary vein, which carry oxygen to left atrium. This is minor blood circulation. Major blood circulation when left atrium pump blood to left ventricle through the valve, left ventricle pump blood to the aorta. Aorta transfer blood which rich in oxygen to all body cells. This is major blood circulation. Then it collects again and transfer through blood vessels to the veins, which are superior and inferior vena cava, and go to the right ventricle. How to keep circulatory system healthy? Number one, keep exercising to strengthen the heart muscle and activate blood circulation. Number two, eat healthy and balanced food that is low in fats and salts. Number three, eat more fruits and vegetables that should be fresh and clean and rich in iron to avoid the infection with anemia disease. Number four, drink an appropriate or suitable amount of clean water every day, especially in summer. 5. Avoid exposure to infection and accidents. Number 6. When wounded, do your best to stop bleeding. First, stop bleeding. Clean the wounded and get an appropriate treatment. Number 7, avoid smoking and smokers because that harms the heart and weakening of blood circulation. This is the end of this lesson. We must know that circulatory system, its function, deliver oxygen, digested food, deliver waste, special organ to get rid of them. Structure of circulatory system: heart, blood vessels, blood. The heart consists of 4 chambers. The upper chambers is called atrium, the lower called ventricle. They are always full of blood. There is a wall, prevent mixing blood between two sides. There is a valve, open between atrium and the ventricle to allow blood to pass from them or to move in one direction. Atrium, upper chamber, receives blood. Ventricle, lower chambers, pump blood outside the heart to arteries. Blood vessels consist of artery, emerge from the heart, carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery, vein, thin blood vessels begin at the body cells and open to atria, blood capillaries connected between the end of arteries and beginning of veins. Blood consists of plasma, watery fluid, carry water and digested food and excretory material. Platelet, small fragments helping blood coagulation and stop bleeding and healing wounds. Red blood cells, without nuclei, transfer oxygen from lungs to all body cells. White blood cells protect the body from microbes. Finally, how to keep circulatory system healthy? As we said, keep exercise, eat healthy food, eat more fruit, vegetables, drink amount suitable of clean water, avoid exposure to infection and accidents. Wounded, do your best to stop bleeding, clean the wound, and get suitable treatment. Avoid smoking and smoker because smoking harms the heart, weakening of blood circulation. This is the end of this lesson. إن شاء الله المرة الجاية هنتكلم عن اليورينري سيستم. See you soon. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.